Creating the elbow controls. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and grab the knee controllers and duplicate them. Somewhere around this area where it's not too close to the character yet, not too far. Go ahead and duplicate that one more time. Let's move it to the other side. We both selected. Now let's go ahead and go into modify, freeze transformation options. Or we're gonna uncheck rotate and scale. Go ahead and freeze transforms. Go back and make sure to reset the tool, then just hit close. Now let's rename each one of these. Rename them anim underscore L underscore elbow 01. Click enter, select the other one and rename it anim R elbow 01. Click enter when done. Let's go ahead and color code them. So this one is already blue, which is good. This one, however, we're gonna go ahead and change to color red. Lastly, we're gonna go ahead now and grab the control, grab the IK handle for the arm. And now we're gonna apply a vector constraint. So go to constraint and do pull vector. Repeat for the other side and test it out. Good job.